This is crazy. Check this out. This is crazy. Ready na kayo? Alam niyo, nasang room ako. God is real.
Tito, start ko na po.
Okay. Jake, right?
Yes po, Tito.
Okay.
So hi guys, di po ako makapaniwala, nandito po ako ngayon. But God is real. So this is Tito Gary V, the Gary V. So Tito, quick message po for our youth po na hindi po nila alam ang kanilang purpose and meaning po sa buhay.
You have time for this?
Yes po.
Okay. Let me just let you know, okay? The Gary Valenciano you see today is a Gary Valenciano that did not know what he wanted to become. I wanted to become a pilot, doctor, architect. None of that fit me. None. So I ended up taking up business in school. Isang bagay na alam ko hindi para sa akin. But I followed my mom's orders. Only to realize later on that God had this prepared for me. Binigyan niya ako ng talent to sing, pero hindi ko makita ang sarili ko bilang isang entertainer, songwriter. Tapos ngayon, isang tao nagbibigay ng konting encouragement, especially to young people like you, na you find that there's no purpose for you. You know, if there's one thing that's true, it's that you're not an accident. So God did not make you and then say, ay, sorry Jake, ay, kamali ako. Kasi wala akong purpose para sa'yo. So then he'll move to somebody else. Jake was given a purpose. I was given a purpose. I discovered it later on in life. But God's timing is His timing. We can study for certain things and become something else. Don't fear. Okay? If I were you, what you need is wisdom. And you can come before the Lord and ask for wisdom. Tell Him to shine it upon your heart. Be bold in asking Him. Be audible, yung tipong maririnig mo ang sarili mo na kinakausap siya. And say it in your own words, Lord, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano ang purpose ko sa buhay. But if I am made in your image and your likeness, which is the truth, listen, you are made in the image and the likeness of God. So there is a purpose for you. Okay? There is. It may be a journey. It may take time before you discover it. But when you do, when God shows it to you, no matter how big or how different that purpose may be, you will know with peace in your heart. When others may not understand, you will understand. You will know. Actually, baka hindi mo nga maintindihan kung bakit yan ang naging purpose mo, but you will have so much peace in your heart na yan talaga ang purpose mo sa buhay. Lastly, Jake, if I may share, when I talk to other young people like you, I always remind them about a nerve. Na I'm sure some of you want to enter the field of medicine. It's mahal. Diba? Tapos ang tagal. It's a very long process of learning. In fact, it's a whole lifelong journey of learning. But if that's your purpose in life, that's what God will lead you to. But for those of you who might be wanting to be something or don't even know what you want to become, remember, you don't have to be known by the world in order to have a purpose. Your numbers do not need to be big on social media because numbers will never define who you are. You know what? Even when you fail an exam, that doesn't define who you are. It only just shows you where you need to improve on. That's it. There is a nerve that we have in the middle of our heads, somewhere here. It's called the vestibulocochlear nerve. Did you know that?
I know now, Tito.
Okay, it's a vestibulocochlear nerve. Research on it. Basically, it's a nerve that is somewhere inside that gives us the sense of equilibrium. Kaya alam natin, di ba, pag medyo kumakaliwa tayo o kumakanan tayo habang nakasakay tayo sa kotse na kahit nakapikit ang ating mga mata, alam natin kung saan tayo papunta. It's largely because of that nerve. It gives us a sense of equilibrium or balance. Pag wala yun, kahit si Carlos Yulo mahihirapan talaga. He cannot find his sense of balance. Alam niyo ba na may vestibulocochlear nerve? Nakikita ba ang vestibulocochlear nerve? You don't see it, but it has a purpose. So you may not be like your friends who have so many numbers, who look great, who know how to dress up, who know how to be content creators. That might not be your calling. Your calling might be different, might be deeper, might be bigger, might be higher, might be heavier. But whatever it is, is that God created you for a purpose that only He and you will know through the course of time, through the course of life. Go through the journey, young people. Go through the journey. When you get to that point na malalaman nyo na kung ano talagang purpose ninyo, you can look back and say, wow, what a journey it was. But then, pag umabot na kayo doon, you'll see why you had to go through that journey of uncertainty, that journey of insecurity, that journey of frustration and impatience. Eh, alam na ni Lord na yan ang magiging reaction ninyo eh. So don't give up on finding out what your purpose is because God's not giving up on you. He never will. That's not the kind of God you and I have. Okay? So that's all I wanted to share. Okay? You have a purpose. As to what it is, hindi ko alam. Hindi namin alam kung anong magiging purpose ninyo. But God does. And kung ano man ang pwede namin sabihin sa inyo, na baka itong purpose nyo, God has something better in store for you than what we can think of. Alright? So God bless you. At sana minsan, makabalik ako dito and we can talk more to these young people. Okay? God bless. I love you guys. May you find your purpose in Christ and may He give you the purpose that you'll have for the world. Okay? God bless. Sorry mahaba yung...
Tito!